walang assertive leadership or social awareness, bagsak ang performance, and an overall failing organization. Hindi man agad ngayon, but soon. Para kasing cancer yan gugulatin ka na lang. So, leadership is as essential as the air we breathe. It determines the success of the team and the organization. Having an incompetent leader is like carrying an empty survival kit in the middle of the jungle, meaning it is completely useless. At kawawa ang mga empleyado under that incompetent leader or manager or president. Kasi how can a leader steer a team to success if they don't even know how to navigate it themselves? And let's be real that this happens more often than we admit. Many individuals chase leadership titles without fully considering whether they have the skills or if they have the mindset or they have the emotional intelligence required for the role. And it is very sad and disappointing kasi some don't even know how to lead people, drive performance, or create meaningful impact to the lives of their subordinate. Akala nila basta magaling na sa KPI or expert sa product knowledge, pwede na yan, pwede na maging team leader or manager. Basta pag napili na ma-promote, grab na agad kahit alam nila na hindi pa talaga sila ready. And I feel so sorry for them. But I am more worried about the people they will lead. Kasi may mga pamilya yun May mga pamilya yung mga subordinates nila and they will fail if they are led by someone na hindi alam ang mga basics about managing team, about leading people, at kahit yung basic na assertive leadership. You wouldn't just pick a random person off the street and ask them to drive the bus going to Baguio with your entire family on board, right? Why does this matter? If you are an employee and watching this video, having an incompetent leader stalls your growth. Simply because no one is there to guide or mentor you. Because your manager do not know how to do it. For managers, if you have ineffective leaders under you, expect high resignation rates kasi walang assertive leadership or social awareness, bagsak ang performance, and an overall failing organization. Hindi man agad ngayon, but soon. Para kasing cancer yan gugulatin ka na lang.